Okay, we're gonna do a fast recap of Monday's lesson on diatonic seventh chords. Okay, we learned that in any given key of F, let's just say without a key, what two chords are major sevenths? What two numbers?
1, 5, 5.
Not the 5. 5 is special.
4.
Yeah, 1 and 4. 1 and the 4 are in the major seventh club. Okay. Then, which chords are in the sad club?
2, 3,
2, 3, and 6. Okay. Then there's one chord in the dominant club by itself. It's a little independent. It's the 5. And we learned that the 5th note of the scale is known as the dominant. Okay, so that's why we call this a dominant 7th. It's based on the 5th note of the scale, which is known as a dominant. Okay, and then the 7 chord became a really weird new chord that we just learned. It was close to a minor 7 chord, but it had something happened to one of the notes. It's called half diminished, and it's a flat 5. That's right. It's a diminished triad, so we call it a 7, minor 7 with a flat 5. And the other name for that is half diminished. And the symbol for half diminished was a circle with a slash through it. Okay? So in the key of, let's do it in the key of C. Change keys, okay? So all you got to do now is just replace the number with the letter. So we'd have, tell me, C major 7. Next, D minor 7. Okay. Next, F major 7.
Let's go.
Good. Okay, you're doing good. What's G dominant 7? You've seen that before. Okay. A minor 7, and the last one would be B minor 7 flat 5. Okay, and that's what that looks like. B minor 7 flat 5. Let's do our little jazz warm-up that we learned the other day. Let's do it in the key of C. Alright? It's going to be all the white notes starting on C. It's all white notes the entire time. So start with C major 7. So we'll just play each 7th chord and then do a little chant. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 major 7. Gotta chant it. 2 minor 7. Chant it with me. 3 minor 7. 4 major 7. 5 dominant 7. 6 minor 7. 7 half diminished. And 1 major 7. And I don't hear anybody chanting, so I'm going to play the chords and you guys are just going to chant. 1, 2, chant it. Go. 1 major 7.
2 major 7. 3 minor 7. 4 minor 7.
Ooh, I'm fired. 5 dominant 7. 6 minor 7. 7 half diminished.
5.
And a 1 major 7. Okay, do it on F again with the chant. Go to the key of F. 1, 2, go. 1 major 7. 2 minor 7. 3 minor 7. 4 major 7. 5 dominant 7. 6 minor 7. 7 half diminished. And a 1 major 7. Good. Let's keep it rolling. How do you play the 7 diminished? It's going to be every other note of the scale starting on the 7th note. So the 7th note of the scale is E. So you're going to have E, G, B flat, and D. Okay? Here's our E minor 7, and then make it a flat 5 by making that a B flat. Okay, good. Last segment. That was just a review of Monday. We're going to go to Because He Lives, page 58.
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Let's go to Because He Lives. Everybody sing and play the left-hand chords we learned the other day. In this segment, we're going to learn how to play the right hand as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Because He lives, I can face tomorrow. Because He lives, all fear is gone. Because I know He holds the future, and life is worth the living just because He lives. Okay, good. Let's learn how to play the right hand now. We have some weird fingerings in this song. You're going to start with your thumb on C and do this little opposable thumb monkey thing where you're going to go. You're going to keep your third finger there and play with your pinky. Thumb down to D. Try that far. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Play the B flat with your pinky. 1. D on thumb. Good job. The next phrase starts with finger 5 on G. Only play when I'm playing. Finger 5 on G. So we'll start there. 1 on to the because. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Those 4 notes again. Go. Okay, this next part you gotta do kind of a weird F position. F stretch out. It's gonna go. All fear is gone. Try those 4 notes. Go. All fear is gone. Again, go. All fear is gone. Okay, good. The next part is kind of an odd fingering. They want us to go 1, 3, 1, 3. Not my favorite. That's what the sheet says. So we'll go thumb, middle, and then it walks up 3, 4, 5, and you're in an F position for most of the rest of the song. So let's do that thumb, middle, because I know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Because I know. Walk up. Thumb reach. Good. Let's try that section again. On Because I Know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Because I know. 4, 5. He holds the reach. Good. And the last phrase is all in F position. So it goes. And life is the living just because He lives. Let's sing that and clap or snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And life is worth the living just because He lives. And play it now. Go. And life is worth the living just because He lives. Want to try the whole thing? Whole thing with your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Because He lives. 2, 3, 4, 1. I can face tomorrow. Reach. Finger 5 on G. Because He lives. 2, 3, 4, 1. All fear is gone. Thumb, middle. Because I know position. And life is worth the living just because he lives. Great work. Try working on that melody on your own and then put the left hand with it.